Okay, let's start the ball game. Battle between Takbong Pogi versus Kings. Okay, pasok po yung starting lineup natin. First five. Okay, jumbo between Akbo and Barnagel. Let's get it on. Number 11 to number 20. First basket. Okay, Akbo may tanga ng bola. Let's play number 29 to David. Muntik pang maagaw. Okay, di pumasok. Okay, same ball. $14 seconds to shoot. Inside pass. Fires. May sumabit. Foul on number 13. Committed his first personal foul. Okay, first team foul. Para sa Kings. Unang tigada, hindi pumasok para kay De Los Reyes. Second try. Wala, 0 out of 2. Barnagel ang gagawin ng bola. Barnagel inside. To number 29, pumasok. We're tied of 2 all. Akbo, crossover, binigyan ng screen, inside, pass to number 31, pasok. De Los Reyes. "13 seconds to shoot. Estres. Inside pass. Pasok para kay number 29. We're tied at 4 all. Akbo na spacor. Hindi makapasok, ganda ng depensa. 12 seconds to shoot. Akbo to De Los Reyes. 6 seconds. By number 20, Estres. To Perolino, back to Estres. From 17, to Strong. Akbo. Umikot. Okay, same ball. "17 seconds on the shot clock, 17 seconds to shoot." De Los Reyes to number 25. David to Akbo. Season from the elbow, bars derecho, mas malakas lang. Rebound, napulot ni Barnagel to serve. Mahina, follow up number 1, yes. Okay. Lamang naman ng Kings. Inside to De Los Reyes. Mahina, rebound by David. De Los Reyes pass. Walang tinamaan. Rebound Barnagel. Barnagel, 4-on-3, dumiretso, pasok pa rin. 4 na ang kalamangan ng Kings. De Los Reyes to Akbo. Binigay kay David. Still. Lever na chair. Inside, mas masyadong mataas yung pasa. Time out! Takbong! With 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining sa ating first period. Okay, back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Apat ang abante ng mga hari. Okay, Akbo. Binigay kay number 1. Velez to Akbo. Back to Velez. De Los Reyes. 15 seconds to shoot. Tison fires. Out of bounds. "11 seconds to shoot." Velez to De Los Reyes. 8 seconds for bitaw ng Reyes. Bang! De Los Reyes. Babasa isang abante. Estres ang may tangan. Back to Estres. 10 seconds to shoot. Barnacher. Tumira. Wala. Agawan ng bola na pulot ni Barnacher. Fires. In and out. Follow up. Wala pa rin isa pa. Ayun. Pumasok para kay number 4. Martinez. Akbo, foul on number 9. Substitution on number 1 out. And number 18 out. Pumasok si Padricano and Valencia. Okay, first personal foul. Second team foul. Para sa mga hari. Akbo, 10 seconds to shoot. Hindi makapasa Velez. 5 seconds out of bounds. "10-7 ang ating score. Abante po. Up! Pasok yan! May kasama pang foul on number 12. Substitution. Season out. Coming in is number 32, D. Tablo na. Okay, 13-7 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 20. Padricano. Binigay kay Valencia. Number 9 pass, yes. 15-7. Akbo to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, ang ganda ng depensa. In and out, pero may foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul number 11. 13 foul para sa mga hari. Okay, from the 15-foot line, De Los Reyes, unang tikada, mahina. Second try. Lucky bounce para kay De Los Reyes. Estres to Martinez. Valencia, balik kay Martinez, wala rebound. Nakakuha ni Akmo, oy. Walang tinamaan. Follow up De Los Reyes. Lima na lang ang abante ng mga hari, 15-10. Valencia. So number 20, Estres, wala. Rebound. Patricano, side step. Binigay kay Estres. Pasok! Smooth na smooth yung tira. I-discard number 23, Akbo. Too strong. Rebound by Estres. With exactly 3 minutes. Patricano, hanggang na ng depensa. Inside. Still, muntik pang maagaw sa kabila daw, sabi ng ating referee Pogi. Substitution. Akbo 12 out. Season binigay kay Domingo to Akbo. Hindi makapasok, nilabas kay Domingo, tumira ng 3. Mahina yung tira ni Sir. Okay, double primo. 2 minutes and 28. Substitution. 11 out, coming in is number 1, Coronel. Akbo. The season still. Behind the back by Coronel. Binigay kay Pineda. Valencia fires. In and out. Rebound. Napulot ni Akbo. To De Los Reyes. Exactly 2 minutes. Tumira ng 3. 3. De Los Reyes. Wala. Okay, Jumbo. Same ball daw, same ball. Okay, 14 seconds to shoot.
Maganda ba yung final definition? Pwede siya.
1 minute and 36. Estares. Oras by Domingo. To number 4. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on the shot clock.
Kaya lang parang sobrang ganda.
Estares. Hindi pumasok. Rebound. Paano ka? Pumasok naman. 19-13 ang ating talaan. 1 minute and 10. Akbo to Domingo. To Season. 10 seconds to shoot. Akbo. Mahina ang tira. 59 seconds na lang. 59. Substitution.
Naliligo niya daw. Pero hindi
Number
ka
1 out. And number 20 out. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Still. To Pineda for 2. Still na naman, Valencia. Barnacher, malakas. Isa pa. Pasok pa naman.
Hindi, nakaano lang. Tagal ka lang nawala. Narinig
Sampu na ang abante, 35 seconds. Up. May foul.
Hindi ka lang
Foul
bumaba.
number
Kaya
9.
ano, nadiliman ko.
Substitution.
Oh,
Okay, second personal foul on Domingo. Warning for penalty. Okay, walang tinamaan, humahangin. 30 seconds tayo ha, 30 seconds left. Second try, pasok. 23-14. Valencia inside pass to number 11. Back to Valencia. 10 seconds to shoot. Panatea. Kaya wala. 8 seconds. Teles, hindi pumasok pero may foul. Number 9. Penalty. Penalty ha, 3.9 seconds na. Third personal foul on number 9 ha, tatlo na. First try, mahina ang pila ni Los Reyes. Pangalawang bitaw. Yes, 1 out of 2. Valencia fires. Sakto na, tapos na tayo.